How to get notes on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can get Instagram notes. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you are aware, Instagram globally and officially released a new feature on the platform, which is called Instagram Notes. Now, if I open Instagram, I go to the DMs page from the top right. Here you'll be able to see all of the notes that other people have actually added, and you'll also be able to see your note if you tap on the plus button right over here. But say that you've been seeing other people do this feature, but you're not being able to find it on Instagram app. So for that, first of all, make sure to come to your profile page, tap on the three lines, and then go to settings. Here go to the option called privacy and go to the option called activity status. Make sure you have turned on activity status. Turning off activity status will disable some of the important features within the DMs page as well. And since this is another feature that was released officially and globally, what you want to do is, in order to get this feature, you have to open the Google Play Store on your Android or Apple App Store on your iOS device. And once you do so, in the search box you just want to type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, if you see an update button there next to the Instagram app, I want you to go over and then update the Instagram app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to get rid of the most of the bugs and errors existed in the previous version, and it is going to add some new features available within the Instagram application. That's all it takes to get notes on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.